I've been on an icebreaker for almost 2 months now, traveling through the Ross Sea, Antarctica. The ice has surprised me with its dynamism, providing a different scene every day, sometimes every hour, changing moment to moment. There is ice that's streaked and shattered like glass. Ice splitting along hidden seams. Grease ice, forming as a thin layer as the winds whip and scream. Ice forming like pancakes, first small, then growing in size, often glowing golden green with algae. Then the pancakes freeze together, forming pack ice, which breaks into floes. We traveled in search of open water amidst the ice, a polynya. These openings arise when intense katabatic winds blow off the continent and ice shelf, shoving the sea ice away and creating a pool of open water. In that open water, phytoplankton blooms and thrives. We were tracking the bloom, following the path of the phytoplankton to better understand the dynamics of the Ross Sea ecosystem. We sampled water for weeks, and then as the summer drew to an end, the ice closed in on us. The polynyas diminished in size each day, and the ice grew thicker and thicker and thicker. Some days, icebergs threatened to barricade us. Other days, we easily dodged them. Some days, the icy waters parted, only to close back up again. The Antarctic night grew longer with each passing day. And it snowed and snowed. We searched for openings in the ice, channels we could travel through. Some days we found thin ice and coasted easily forward. Some days we found leads and cracks to ease our travel. Some days we got stuck. But usually not for long. With enough pushing and prodding, we were always able to ram our way through. Some days we traveled backward to travel forward. With a penguin audience, no less. Passing massive icebergs along the way. Each new day bringing a new brilliant scene. Stark white painted pink and red by the rising sun. Blue in the hue of dusk. As we broke our way out, the sea ice revealed its secrets. This frozen seascape teemed with life. These channels, sometimes carved by enormous drifting icebergs, provide a path for our vessel to travel, but they also provide a roadway for orcas and minke whales. The sea ice edge provides a resting place for penguins and seals, the openings offering a pathway to waters full of fish and krill. The ice edge is a very busy place.